Looking for a collision center in Port Saint Lucie, Florida? AutoBizBrokers is thrilled to extend the opportunity for an impressive 4,500 square foot shop situated on a quarter-acre lot on the heavily traveled US 1 highway. It includes 7 bays, 1 lift with a spare, 7 stalls, and parking spaces for 25 cars. With a wide range of services including collision, paint, and restoration repairs, this impeccable attention to detail has gained the admiration of Farmers Insurance, CEI Fleet Management, CarMax, and Wright Motor Sports. Demographics include a population of over 136,000, 54,000 households, and a median income of $59,000. Visit us online or call AutoBizBrokers at 800-565-1330 for more information.